Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking where the chair fails. Focus on loose joints, stripped screws, or cracked wood. Once identified, collect tools, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a 10 mm wrench, wood glue, clamps, and replacement screws, because having the right item speeds repair. Measure any damaged parts and photograph connections. This helps you match screw size and hole spacing precisely. Don't waste time guessing. Starting with accurate parts and tools prevents repeated disassembly and ensures a clean, lasting fix. You now take the chair apart methodically, remove screws in sequence and label pieces so reassembly matches the original orientation. Once apart, clean old glue and debris, sand mating surfaces to promote adhesion. Apply wood glue into joints and realign parts carefully because good alignment prevents wobble. Pre-drill pilot holes for new screws to avoid splitting and clamp the assembly firmly. Hold for 30 to 60 minutes so the glue sets. Doing this reduces stress on fasteners and creates a stronger joint. You reassemble using the new screws and any original brackets. Tighten until firm but avoid stripping threads. Once assembled, test stability. Apply gradual pressure, sit carefully, then use full weight to confirm the repair because small issues show under load. If wobble persists, stop and inspect pilot holes and joint fit. Add a corner brace or use wood filler to rebuild a damaged mortise. That single troubleshooting step often fixes residual movement and prevents repeat failure when you use the chair again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.